Kelvin Ariol in the CX Racing FCRX7. Ooh, Kelvin. It's exploding out front bumper. As it says on his windshield, ding. Uh-oh.
Pare, ayos na?
Ayos, tapos na.
Tapos. Just stopping by to get gas. The hell? Fucking street sharking it. I was fucking munging the fucking the dirt and then flat. Go. I thought you were gonna trailer your shit.
Huh?
I thought you were gonna trailer your shit.
No, I drove, dude. My cousin trailer just crested us.
Can you guys believe this car is the same as this car? Just seat time, that's all it is.
See, it makes me want to do some jump shit.
It's 3:06 in the morning. Cheers, cheers. Cheers. We ain't got nothing to do tomorrow. It is, what time is it, boys?
It's game time.
6:58. It's 7 a.m. Just woke up to the sound of the blower. Pete's cleaning off the track just so we could mess it up. What is that, exhibit?
Yo, dog.
What up? Who the hell is it?
Thanks.
Yamaha Racing.
Yeah, we ride together too.
Okay, okay. I thought you played pianos.
Nah.
Gonna make some tea. Don't burn myself. This right here, feet flat on the ground. Where's Vlog Dog? Where you at, Vlog Dog? Bumper to bumper. Flat toe crew, flat towing. People underutilize the power of flat towing here. This is like 100K. Excuse me, sir.
What's up, sir?
How does it feel to be rich?
Why am I rich?
You got 60K back here and you got 40K back there. That's 100K.
The bank owns this. I paid $2,500 for that.
He doesn't
Okay.
value these Corollas, man. He doesn't value them like I do. He'd rather sell it for like 15K all day.
Yeah.
How's the morale?
Oh, okay.
Are we hot and miserable yet and pissed off at the world?
Nah.
Not yet?
It's only supposed to be 97 today.
Okay.
Not bad.
That's not bad, actually.
Cooler. It's like the valley.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Hey, how hot was it last time you guys were here?
108.
10. Oh shit.
Who drives this Porsche right here? So you got up the road, no problem, huh?
I don't know about that one.
'Cause I could see this. Oh yeah. All right. What was your name?
Christian.
Where can people follow you?
On Instagram.
Yeah.
Playboy Yada. Playboy.Yada. Yeah.
Look, the bumper's touching the ground. No, that's sick. Is your passenger okay?
Sorry. He's complaining about the ride, but.
All right, Mr. MB Battle.
Yeah.
Oh, you got the Ryobi cordless grinder, Ryobi crew. Right? What do people say? 40% of the tool for 90% of the price. They open up the gates to the track. Let's see if we can maneuver this truck into here. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. 8:30 in the morning. It's already 91 degrees.
That's what it feels like to be rich.
This?
Land Cruiser and the Corolla with the beams.
I bought this by accident from an auction. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm about to crash already. We got 1 tire, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many tires can you guys fit in the back of your car?
We're gonna have fun. Other corollas are gonna show up, so hopefully nobody crashes.
Hopefully, he said hopefully no one crashes. We'll make predictions, right? And then plug in the scene of the crash. We bring cardboard to the track. 2 things: to lay down to work on your car, and to absorb the oil spills that spew it out. We got it set up here, right here. We got the vlogging table with the drone and extra cameras. We got the solar panel. We got the battery bank. We got the fridge. We got the kitchen. We got a bunch of shitty all seasons. Okay, so the first time driving.
Okay. Corolla. What's the
Oh, this is a question time? No. Like questions, dude. Bombay, where are you, dude?
What's the tire pressure in your rear tires?
Right now they're 50, dude.
Oh, it's not bad.
That'd be all right. All right, while we're waiting for the other people, a little shameless self-promotion, right?
Go get it, dude. Own it.
I run a small YouTube channel, right? All subscribers will get 1 free ride along with me, and I'll also give you feedback. My goal is not to crash and not to break down.
All right, well, if you guys have been to the track, you guys know pretty much the basic rules. Stay in your car at all times. If your car breaks down and you need us to tow you out, put your hand on top of your roof and pat the roof.
The last one.
Yeah, don't drift the last corner. Unfortunately, because they did hit the light pole, we are making the driver sign a waiver. So if you fuck something up, it's on you. If you don't sign it, you don't drive.
My goal is not to crash and not to break down.